Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to give you a demo about Proton plan QA auto generation. The QA plan generation involves three major steps. First, collecting all necessary beam data. Second, generate QA plans. Third, verify the QA plans and export them. Now I'm going to give you a demo about how we manually generate the QA plans. Usually, we would like to select several planes to measure the 2D dose distributions. In this demo, I picked the midplane and the proximal plane of the dose distribution. To estimate the correct depths, we need to collect necessary beam data, most likely the maximum and minimum energy of each beam. After acquiring all the beam data, we're going to separate the beam sets, which may contain multiple individual beams, into several plans, each contains only one beam. This step is to bypass the limitation of one plan ISO in QA plans. To generate QA plan, we need to fill in a temporary ISO standard location, which we just calculated after collecting all necessary beam data. It will only take a little bit time to calculate the dose on the QA plan. And because we only fill in a temporary estimated ISO location, we need to verify the correctness of our estimation. To verify that, we just need to use the measuring tool to measure the distal and the proximal depths in the 3D dose distribution. If the ISO location is not estimated correctly, we need to get the newly measured distal and proximal depths and pick a new ISO location based on that. And lastly, we just need to export the QA plan that we generated and then repeat the previous steps for the rest of the beam set. Now let me demo the script version of the QA plan generation. I will also put the manual version on the corner for comparison. After you run the script and then pick up the beam set you want to generate the QA plans, it will first give you all the necessary beam information to fill the express sheet. You can also look into the execution detail in the script tab to see what is running in the background. The script will run automatically and then pause only when you need to verify the depths and the correctness of the ISO standard. After you verify that, you can hit continue to export the plan automatically. Now the script is going to carry on and finish generating the second part of the beam set. Now the script part has finished, but the menu part is still running. You can see this is the time you are saving. That's all. Thanks for watching.